One, wait. Again, I am repeating the question. Avni, how many sons does Dashrath have and name them? राजा दशरथ के कितने लड़के थे?
मैम 4 थे, भरत जी, लक्ष्मण जी, राम जी और
we no one will interfere in the between. जिससे मैं पूछूंगी that person will answer. Okay?
मैम
Last वाला नहीं आ रहा. Okay, next I'll ask Navya Bansal. You tell me.
दशरथ जी के शब्द।
Navya, tell me all the names.
मैम शत्रुघ्न।
All the names.
मैम राम जी, भरत और शत्रुघ्न, लक्ष्मण।
Very good. Okay, Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Arnav, what was the name
Yes,
of Raja Dashrath's wives?
Yes, ma'am.
Raja Dashrath's wives. What was the name of Raja Dashrath's wife?
Wives, ma'am. There is 3 wives.
Okay.
There was 3 wives. Ma'am, first is ma'am.
Wait, Avni, wait. Let everyone participate. Forgot? Sarthak Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
Raja Dashrath's wife's name.
Kaushalya.
Okay. Someone is telling it from behind. I can hear. Kaushalya and Nishita Bansal. Do you know the answer? Arush, don't write in the chat. Kaushalya and Kekai. Arush, don't write in the chat box. Sumitra. Kaushalya, Kekai and Sumitra.
Kaushalya, Kekai, Sumitra.
Okay. Who was mother of Lakshman? Who knows? Just raise your hand. Arush. No one will unmute. Let me ask. Everyone will have to unmute. Let me ask. Everyone will have to ask.
Ma'am, what did you say to me?
Who is mother of?
Who is
Why
mother
I'm getting. I can hear my voice.
Ma'am, your voice is coming double.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is coming double.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Now it's okay.
Please mute everyone. Yes, ma'am.
Arush. Hello, Arush. Arush, I'm hearing my voice when you are unmuting yourself. Why?
Ma'am, please.
1 minute, I'm using same.
Ma'am, please.
Okay, wait. Arush, you tell me, who is the mother of Lakshman?
Ma'am.
One by one. I'm asking everyone. I'll ask everyone. I ask you, Arnab. I ask Abni. I ask Navya. I ask Nishita. I ask Satak. Now it's Arush's turn. Arush, I can't hear. Yes, tell me.
Yes. Now?
I can hear my voice. Okay, Arush, you are having some network issue or some mic issue. I don't know. Okay, Arnab, you tell me.
Ma'am, Sumitra.
Okay, Who was what name? Okay. Who kidnapped Sita?
Ma'am, who kidnapped?
Sita. You answered just now. I'll ask.
Now can you hear me?
Yes. Who kidnapped Sita?
I don't know what happened to my laptop.
Arush, tell me who kidnapped Sita?
Ravan kidnapped Sita when Bharat and Ram went somewhere.
Bharat and Ram? Bharat and Ram, where was Bharat along with Ram in that forest? Lakshman. Okay.
Lakshman and Ram went to do something, and Sita was in the hut. Ravan came in like a sadhu and asked something, and then when she just started to give, he hold his hand and bought his rickshaw, flying rickshaw. After that, he kidnapped Sita, and then Ram and Lakshman when came back, they saw Sita is not there in the hut. Then they think I think the Rams think that I think something bad happened with Sita.
Aru, the question was who kidnapped? And you said how he kidnapped and where did.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
मैम रामायण में इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते
Who said रामायण में इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते? We
मैम
can.
रामायण की हिंदी में है
It's basically Ramayana is in Sanskrit and we translate it in Hindi and English and Urdu. In every language, Ramayana is there. You can read Ramayana in all the languages.
ओके मैम
Also,
Ramayana, basically it was written in Sanskrit. Because उस time में
Yes, ma'am, it is written in Sanskrit.
उस time में Sanskrit was the language which was very famous and everyone knows Sanskrit only. That's why it was written in Sanskrit. And now it is translated in every languages. You will find Ramayana in all the language in which you want. Okay, Avni?
ओके मैम
Okay, ma'am.
Why Ram went to the forest? Who will tell me the answer?
मैम प्लीज
Ma'am,
Okay, Avni, tell me.
मैम कैच मैम बिकॉज टू कैच अ हिरन
No, not this. Why Ram went to the
ma'am,
forest? Yes. Okay, one by one. Yes. Yeah, Akshara, tell me why Ram went to the jungle.
मैम कैन टेल इन हिंदी प्लीज
Okay, try it.
मैम क्योंकि उन्हें दशरथ ने वनवास केकई के बोलने से भेजा था क्योंकि दशरथ ने वनवास केकई के बोलने से राम को फॉरेस्ट भेजा था
Okay.
मुझे लगा
अक्षरा ने कहा कि दशरथ ने केकई के कहने पर राम को वनवास भेजा.
यस मैम
Okay. फिर केकई ने क्या वर मांगा? What did she ask the Raja Dashrath? What did she ask from Raja Dashrath? Anyone can tell?
ma'am, Arnav.
Yeah, Arnav, tell me.
He asked Dashrath to give ma'am wish that ma'am Ram will go to 14 years vanvas and ma'am Bharat will become king
King.
of Ayodhya.
Okay, this was the wish she demanded from Raja Dashrath. She wanted Ram to go for a 14-year exile and she wanted to give throne to her own son Bharat. Okay. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
like Aru said, Ravan came and he kidnapped Sita. And Ram and Lakshman were in search of something. They were in search of what?
Ma'am,
Wait. Nishita?
Ma'am, what is the
Nishita?
question?
Ma'am, what
Nishita
is
Ban-
the question?
Okay. I'm repeating the question.
Repeat. Ma'am, repeat.
Yes. Arush said Ravan kidnapped Sita. And Ram and Lakshman were in search of something in the jungle. What were they searching for? Wait. Nishita?
Sita.
बताओ. Okay. Madhav,
हिरण को पकड़ने के लिए
Ma'am, Sita. Ma'am,
यस
किसको in search of? The golden deer.
yes, ma'am.
वो सोने के हिरन को पकड़ने गए थे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
In the jungle, Ram met one of the powerful monkey. What was his name?
ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please. Sir, everyone is telling.
Repeat the
Please.
question. Please.
In the jungle, Ram met one very powerful monkey. Arush, please don't write anything in the chat box. It's like a quiz. Okay, everyone has to answer.
Ma'am.
Okay, Avni, you have answered so many questions. Let me ask Prakhar Bansal. Prakhar Bansal. Prakhar. He's not there. Sarthak. Sarthak, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
जंगल में वो एक बहुत ही एक ताकतवर बंदर से मिले थे. उस बंदर का नाम क्या था? रामायण में एक बहुत ही ताकतवर बंदर की कहानी भी है.
Ma'am, Hanuman.
Yeah, his name was Hanuman. Who knows the brother of
And he was
Ravan has a brother. Who knows his name?
Ma'am,
मैम व्हाट
ma'am, please.
Before listening the question, Arnav and Avni are telling ma'am hum.
Ma'am, हम बोल रहे हैं. Please repeat the question.
Ravan has a brother. Please tell his name.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Okay, Avni.
Ma'am, Vibhishan.
Vibhishan.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, one more.
इंद्रजीत
Yes.
बेटा था
Meghnad
Ma'am, one
and
more brother.
Meghnad was his son, not brother.
Ma'am, brother. Ma'am, Kumkaran.
Yeah, I asked any one brother. You told me Vibhishan, that was also okay. If you had told me Kumkaran, that was also okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Meghnad and Indrajit were
Ma'am,
there.
I think that you are asking all brothers.
No, I was asking only one brother's name.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what is the real name of Indrajit?
his name was Indrajit.
Ma'am.
Indrajit and Meghnad. He has two sons, Meghnad and Indrajit. Ravan has two sons.
Okay, ma'am.
And okay. One question. Who has written Ramayana?
ma'am.
मैम अक्षर
Ma'am, question.
Who has written Ramayana?
मैम अक्षरा
Akshara? Akshara ने रामायण लिखा है.
नो मैम
Okay. I thought Akshara. How come Akshara has written Ramayana? And
मैम वाल्मीकि
Rishi Valmiki. Rishi Valmiki has written. Ramayan. And someone was telling Akshara. I also thought it's Akshara who has written Ramayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, you have written Ramayan.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I share a story?
Now today I'll ask something, and Acha, who knows Hanuman Chalisa? The whole Hanuman Chalisa. It's related to Ramayan. Anyone knows Hanuman Chalisa?
मामा में थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है।
हमें थोड़ी सी आती है।
यस मैम, मुझे भी।
मैम मुझे भी
थोड़ी थोड़ी आती, पूरी पूरी किसको आती है?
मैं भी आती है।
पूरी नहीं आती।
मैम जब थोड़ी थोड़ी करके सब बोलेंगे तो पूरी हो जाएगी।
Okay. Who will start?
मैम
मैम प्लीज मैम प्लीज।
Okay,
Please,
I'll give
may I?
एक मिनट। Avni and Arnab, तुमने बहुत आंसर्स दिए हैं। Let me ask Prakhar. Prakhar has not said anything. Start, Prakhar. जय हनुमान।
जय हनुमान ज्ञान सागर जय कपीस लोक सागर महावीर अंजल विष is
No, you forgot. Okay. Now, okay, Avni, you try. Then Arnav.
मैम जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तियु लोक बुझाकर रामदूत अतिलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत गामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निकाले सुमते अंजी। मैम इतनी आती है।
उसके बाद
कुमत निवार सुमत के संगी कंचन वर्ण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ गज धरा विराजे कांधे मूंछ जनेऊ साजे शंकर चुवर केसरी तेज प्रताप महाजग बंदन
विद्वान
विद्यावान गुणियति चातुर राम काज करबे को आतुर
प्रभु चरित्र
चरित सुनबे को रसिया राम रखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि
असुर
संहारे काम
रामचंद्र रामचंद्र के
मैम रामचंद्र जी की काज संवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए तुम मम प्रिय भरति संभाई
श्री रघुवीर हर्षि आए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई।
यस मैम, श्री रघुवीर हर्षित आए
तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई।
रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरति संभाई।
सहस बदन और किसी को
सहस बदन
तुमरे यश गावे अस कहीं श्रीपति
यस मैम, असुर सहित
कंठ लगावे। आरुष हेल्प करो। आरुष, डू यू नो दिस? ओके, निशिता
Yes, ma'am.
कंटिन्यू।
बोलिए। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोक बजाकर महावीर से तुरंगी लोग हो जाए सबके संगी। कोई बोलने दो।
स्टार्ट करो, बोलो बेटा।
बोल जय हनुमान। बोल जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस लोग हो जाकर महावीर से
रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा।
महावीर युद्ध नहीं आती, बोल दे।
नहीं आती? ओके, और कोई है जिसे आती है पूरी? ओके, चलो। महादेव, सॉरी, माधव। माधव
Ma'am, can I share a story?
No, Arush. Today we are going Ramayana. जनेऊ साजे श्री नंदन विद्वान गुणियति चातुर ओके
मैम इतनी आती है?
नव्या तुमको आती है?
मैम नो मैम।
नो मैम। आरुष तुम्हें आती है? आरुष
यस मैम,
तुम्हें आती है?
थोड़ा सा।
सुनाओ।
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर, रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा, महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवास सुमति के संगी।
And you don't know?
No, not nine.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll ask some more question.
मामा
Ravan kidnapped Sita and took her to which place?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am.
No, no Avni. This time. Wait, Avni. Let everyone answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishita. Nishita.
लंका।
Okay.
मैम अक्षरा।
Okay, Akshara, tell me.
मैम लंका।
Not Akshara, it's Lanka. Everyone is thinking that Ramayana is written by Akshara and everything is done by Akshara, but Akshara didn't do anything in Ramayana. She was not there. Navya Bansal and Madhav Bansal both are laughing like Akshara kidnapped Sita and took her to her home. Was it this story? Akshara kidnapped Sita and took her to her home? Akshara, now you tell me.
Yes ma'am।
What was the name of Lord Rama's father? Akshara?
मैम दशरथ।
Raja Dashrath.
राजा दशरथ।
Okay. Next question is, what was the name of a bow that was used by Lord Rama in goddess Sita Swambar to marry her? There was a Swambar conducted by father of Sita, and in that there was a bow which was to be broken. What was the name?
मैम
Ma'am, what is the meaning of bow?
Yeah, the name of the bow. Dhanush. Dhanush.
मैम मैम
Okay, Madhav has raised. I'll ask Madhav. Madhav,
यस
what was the name of that Dhanush? Huh? Shiv Dhanush.
Yes. ma'am.
Okay.
यहाँ पे ये रख लूंगा, मैम को पता नहीं चलेगा। Happened.
Okay,
What
next
happened?
next question I'll ask. Okay, Avni is every time Avni is raising hand, let me ask Avni.
Ma'am, what is the question?
I'm telling you, I'm asking you one more question. How many heads does Ravan have?
Ma'am, 10 heads.
Okay, do you know what does 10 heads resemble?
Ma'am, what?
Ravan 10 heads जो थे वो किस चीज को रिजेंबल करते हैं?
मैम उसकी ताकत को।
मैम
उसकी
मीनिंग।
ताकत को। मैम उसकी ताकत को।
The negativity which we have. Do you think Ravan exists now also?
No,
Yes or
ma'am.
no?
यस
Anyone can tell me, do you think Ravan exists now also?
Ma'am, he is very genius.
He is genius.
Very genius, very.
Ma'am, he was.
He was very genius.
Yes, ma'am.
In every human being, there is a Ram and there is a Ravan inside them. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हर आदमी के अंदर एक राम और एक रावण होता है.
yes, ma'am.
The person who do good work is a Ram, and the person who does bad work is a Ravan.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम ने सही बोला. जो अच्छा काम करते हैं वो सारे राम हो जाते हैं, जो बुरे काम करते हैं वो सारे रावण हो जाते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, and who is genius?
Genius persons are Ram, and the 10 heads जो उनके जो 10 सर रावण के थे वो रिजेंबल करते हैं बहुत सारे चीज, जैसे एंगर, क्रोध. जो हम गुस्सा करते हैं दैट इज द वन ऑफ द हेड ऑफ रावण. ईर्षा, jealousy, that is the second head of the Ravan. Lust, लोभ,
मैम घमंड,
घमंड, मोह,
What is love?
बुराई मैम, बुराई.
बुराई जो करते हैं, दूसरों से हम घृणा करते हैं, डरते हैं. All these things are the heads of Ravana.
Excuse me,
Brain
ma'am.
also one head.
Yes,
Ma'am, brain also is one head.
brain is inside our skull. It is the main जहाँ से हम लोग सोचते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे 10 रावण, why Ravan became Ravan, do you know? Because he conquer all 10, हर चीज पे उसने conquer कर लिया था. He was very genius, that's why he became Ravan. Yes,
Ma'am, what is the name of Ravan?
Avni, I can't hear you.
मैम रावण की मम्मी और पापा का नाम क्या था?
रावण
Ma'am, मम्मी का पता है मुझे.
के रावण, वो तो
Ma'am,
बोलो.
केकसी.
हाँ, केकसी.
मैम केकसी, और मैम उनके पापा ऋषि थे.
ऋषि थे उनके पापा. कोई बता सकता है उनके
ऋषि
पापा का
प्रभु.
नाम? नहीं.
मैम डोंट नो.
किसी को पता है?
No, ma'am.
He was a ऋषि. उनका नाम था, लेट मी रिमेम्बर हिज नेम. श से नाम था ऋषि.
मैम,
मैम विशर्वा,
मैम,
यस.
मैम पुत्सल्या.
मैम विशर्वा,
नहीं,
विशर्वा, विशर्वा,
मैम पुत्सल्या.
पुत्सल्या.
मैम
मैम
पुलस्त्या.
विशर्वा,
मैम ब्रह्मा जी के पुत्र थे.
ब्रह्मा जी के पुत्र थे.
विशर्वा,
विशर्वा.
विशर्मा.
मैम विश्वा.
विश्व सर्वा.
विशर्मा.
विश्व सर्वा.
मैम विश्व सर्वा.
विश्व सर्वा.
विश्व सर्वा.
विश्वकर्मा.
विश्व सर्वा.
Okay, ma'am.
He was a rishi and he married Kekasi. She was a daughter of उनकी जो केकसी के जो फादर थे, he was.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes,
मैम पुस्तल्या. मैम रामायण में किसका नाम था?
पुलसत्य नाम था. He was
मैम पुस्तल्या.
पुत्सल्या नहीं, कौशल्या थी. पुत्सल्या.
पुष्टल्या.
मैम पुलत से,
पुलत से.
रावण के जो दादा ब्रह्मा के जो पुत्र थे उनका नाम था. ब्रह्म के पुत्र महर्षि
पुलत से.
पुत्सल्य नाम था. पुलत्सत्य.
पुलत.
और रावण के नाना का नाम सुमाली था और उनकी नानी थी ताड़का. They were all from the evil राक्षस से थे. और वहां से केकसी was also a rakshasi and she married a rishi and from them Ravan was born. Do you know
मैम नानी का नाम ताड़का था ना?
Yeah, Nani's name was Tadka. Ramayana is a very big story. Yes.
मैम ऋषि विश्वला ने वो केकसी राक्षसनी से क्यों विवाह करा था?
मैम
Yes.
मैम रावण राक्षस था।
Ravan Rakshas, you can call him. He was in that because he did bad thing. That's why he was
मैम
called
ऋषि और
Rakshas.
राक्षस दोनों था।
Both. He was Brahmagyani. Do you know Brahmagyani who knows everything?
ओके मैम।
But one thing, एक मिनट बेटा, one thing, he could not conquer his ahankar, the ghamand which he have. He can rule all over the world. He can rule anyone. He can achieve anything. That ruined his life. उसको अहंकार हो गया था कि वो कुछ भी कर सकता है।
मैम किसको?
रावण को।
ये मैम।
That's why. और उसने केकसी ने नहीं केकसी what you are asking? रावण केकसी ने ऋषि से क्यों शादी की?
यस मैम।
बेटा, this was the question we should have asked Valmiki ji. He could have replied. Because there was a reason behind marrying a rishi that अगर हम ऋषि से शादी करेंगे, what I think, then I'll get a very intelligent son. एक बहुत ही तेज दिमाग का मेरा बेटा होगा. That's why I think so केकसी ने शादी की होगी रावण के फादर से.
ओके मैम।
ऋषि ने क्यों शादी की?
यस मैम राक्षसनी थी।
She might be beautiful. That's why.
ओके मैम।
ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. I'll also search on the Google and I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay?
ओके मैम।
कि
मैम हम घर पे ही कर लेंगे।
ओके, विश्व शर्मा ने क्यों शादी की थी केकसी से?
ओके
ओके
मैम हम घर पे ही कर लेंगे।
ओके, नाउ बाय फॉर द डे.